To set up Skype meetings in Outlook is a relatively simple process. We'll go over how you do that right now. The first thing you do is you go to Outlook, your calendar, you click on the date that you want the meeting, click New Skype Meeting. Then you have to decide who you're going to send it to. If you're going to email it to your class, what you'll do is you'll copy in the email addresses here, and I'll show you how to do that in a relatively simple manner. Or if you just want to put a link into Blackboard, you just email it to yourself and then you copy the link, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So let's go and grab your email addresses out of Blackboard. We'll click here. We'll go over to users. I've got some users in here. I'm just going to copy these and Control C once you've highlighted them, and then you go into Excel. In Excel, you can come in here and you paste those in. Now that's not the way I want it because these are already highlighted. I'm going to just go match destination formatting. Makes it a lot cleaner look. It's easy to just highlight those and then press Control C. Then you go back to Outlook and bring up the message, paste those email addresses in here, and then press Alt K. That's the Alt button and then the letter K on your keyboard, and that will bring up the email addresses for you the way you would like them. Then you can put in a subject. I'm going to put class meeting /test review, and then I'm going to put a little message in here. This class meeting will be to review the test on Friday. And then you could send this off to everyone. They would get this email and they'd be able to click this button, and that would bring up the Skype meeting for them. And when they accept this invitation, it will automatically put a calendar reminder for them in Outlook, of course. So if you want it just to go to yourself, that's easy. You just delete out these names. You just send it to yourself. And the reason why you do that is if you want them to just see a link in Blackboard. You can put that in your announcements, or you can put it in a weekly folder or a module. So I'm going to click Send on this. Okay, and then I'll open this up. Now that I have that on my calendar, and I can just right-click here on that and go copy hyperlink. Now when I go into Blackboard, if I just go in right now to put this link in, it's going to show join Skype meeting in blue underlined, and I don't want that. So the easy way to get rid of that is just to open up a notepad and then paste in the link. It strips out all the other information, and then I highlight it and press Control C. Then we can go into Blackboard and we'll go to announcements. I'm going to create this as an announcement. I'll type in class meeting test review. Okay, and then I'll type in this meeting is to review the test this Friday, and then click this link to attend. I'll put that link in, and then I'll activate it by clicking the link button, pasting in the address again, clicking open in new window for target, and then for ADA compliance we want to make sure we put a title in. So we'll type in link for Friday online Skype test review, and then we'll click insert, and then we can submit this. Oh, we need to select a date. Since this isn't something they'll need to see for the rest of the semester, I'm just going to click display after 9:15 and display until the day after the meeting. That's just what I'll do. And I'll click submit on that, and now I have my test review. One great thing is once you're having this meeting, you can record what you're seeing. You can record that meeting so that you can show it to other students. So I'll show you how to do that real quick here. We'll bring Skype up, and then I'm just going to click Meet Now. I'll be the only participant in this video call or chat, but it'll be the same as if you're in a Skype session talking to people. So I'll click this button with the three little dots, and then I'm going to click Start Recording. Okay, now it's recording. As long as I have this up here, that means this is being recorded. Everything that's going on here is being recorded. If I share my screen or if I do a video call, everything I say is being recorded unless I mute my mic. When I'm done, I can just click Stop Recording. And then if I want to see my recordings, I can click here and go to Manage Recordings. I could come over to Skype for Business, and I can click Tools, and I can go Recording Manager. And you'll see that the recording from today is still processing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to open up a previous recording. You highlight whichever recording you want, you click Browse. That will bring up a folder with all of your recordings. I want to see what date this is on, so I'm going to click there and then click on Details. And it shows me that it shows me the date that these were done on and gives me the title. If you're on with somebody else, it'll show their name, comma, your name, and so forth. I'm going to select the recording from September 2nd. Then you can take this, it's an MP4 file, you can upload it to YouTube. You can then take the YouTube recording and embed that into your Blackboard course. Skype for Business allows you to do a lot of good things. You can also use the same thing for online office hours and post those in announcements. You could put up sessions for each office hour that you have throughout the semester and then just set the time for it to open around the date that you need it. It's very flexible, it works great, and it's available to all of us. Please check with me or Christine if you have any questions about it, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.